What's up, Blended Squad? So today we are doing a clean and decorate with me for Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoy it. Most of it's gonna be a voiceover, or I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit just to not waste time. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know how you like it. And yeah, let's jump right into it. No wasting time. Okay, so as y'all can see, Serenity decided that she wanted to help me as well. So we want to go ahead and get everything wiped down first before we started decorating. So that's what you're going to see for a while. You're going to see us wiping down. Some stuff was already cleaned up before we started, but the little bit of stuff, we already removed everything off of the fireplace and the table. And now we're going to go ahead and just clean up, you know, because you got to clean up before you put the stuff down. I mean, of course. Now, me being mom, you already know I had to go back behind Serenity and wipe over. She did a good job, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with me making sure it's clean. And now, as y'all can see, some of the decorating has begun. We're going to go ahead and start with the fireplace. We started with the fake snow, trying to pull it down, make it look a little like icicles. And now we're adding some of the things back on there to try to give it a wintry Christmas feel. I don't know if it's permanent or temporary, but you shall see. So now, guys, as you can see, I'm showing you the different letters on the stockings. You have the S for Serenity, the L for Lorenzo, the K for Mama, which you don't see because the kids hid it. But then you have the A for Carter because they didn't have any more K's. So Mama took the K. So now, as y'all can see, I'm starting a little, the garland going across, the tree looking garland going across the breakfast bar. Not having the best of luck, as y'all can see. Things keep falling. The tape is messing up and everything else. And but I'm getting it done. Overall, hopefully it comes out the way that I planned, but we shall see. Now, as y'all can see, I'm still getting it done. And yeah, y'all know I had to turn Alexa on, get my music playing so that I can get all the way in the mood. Now, I wasn't playing Christmas music, but I was playing some, I don't know what I was playing. I'm sure it was something decent, because I was bopping, and I don't even know what I was dancing to, because I'd already put it on mute. So, yeah, I don't know. But whatever it was, I was enjoying it. Now, as you can see from my outfit, this had to get continued to the end of the night. Now guys, don't ask me what I was trying to make with this whole basket creation, but just know that that's the candle and around it is the snow. It just matched the color decor, so we roll with it. And of course, these decorative balls were just an added bonus as well. Now here you are, guys, pretty much everything in a nutshell. This is what I have from the stockings to the fireplace to the Santa Claus hat chairs, the little decorative little flowers and stuff, the plate with the candles on the table, and the little chair with the pillow and everything in the throw in the corner. I thought it came out really nice for it to be something quick. Now, as you can see, I wasn't satisfied with that picture over top of the fireplace. It just wasn't matching enough for me. So I went and changed it, and I put my mirror here. I took my mirror from upstairs and I brought it downstairs. I didn't get a chance to clean it yet, but there you are. I think that makes it look a lot better. I will probably put something next to it, but for now, that's what we have. Yeah, and that's it. So guys, that is the end of my clean up and decorate with me part 1 video. Still have to do the living room area, still have to do the tree if I decide to do the tree because we're leaving, and I have to do the kitchen area too, so stay tuned. I figured I'll break it down into a couple videos because that'd be better, you know. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the Blended Squad. And that is all I have for you today. And those of you who keep tuning back in to the squad, you are my BS family. Thank you so much. We appreciate you and we love you so, so, so much. And until next time, guys, be blessed. And remember, self-love is a what? Best love. You got it. Have a good day.